In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Jira Aside panel to work faster. If you spend a lot of time in Jira, learning to use the sidebar efficiently can save you clicks, reduce distractions, and help you move between tools much more smoothly during the day. The good news is that it's very simple once you know where everything is. To get started, log into Jira and look at the left side of the screen. This is where the sidebar appears. If it's already open, you're ready to go. If the sidebar is collapsed, click the menu icon to expand it. This gives you access to the main navigation area, which is the foundation for moving around Jira quickly. Once the sidebar is open, use it to access your projects faster. Click Projects in the sidebar, then choose a project you work on frequently. This is one of the easiest ways to avoid unnecessary searching or jumping through multiple pages. After you open a project, keep using the sidebar to move between the project's pages. That way, you can stay oriented and get where you need to go with fewer steps. Next, open a project, board, or page that you use often. If Jira shows a star or favorite option, use it. Marking important items as favorites makes them easier to reach later. Over time, this can become a major time saver, especially if you regularly return to the same boards, reports, or project views. Starred items are typically easier to access from the sidebar, which helps create a faster, more personalized workflow. The sidebar is also your main navigation tool, so it's worth getting comfortable with what's there. Use boards to view and manage tasks. Open issues when you need to search for tickets or apply filters. Go to projects when you want to switch between different workspaces. And use dashboards to check reports, monitor team progress, or review high-level information at a glance. The more familiar you are with these sections, the less time you'll spend hunting for things. When you need more room on the screen, collapse the sidebar by clicking the collapse arrow. This is especially useful when you're focused on a board, reviewing issue details, or working in a tighter layout. A cleaner screen can make it easier to concentrate. Finally, customize your workspace if Jira supports it. You may be able to drag and arrange sidebar items so your most used tools stay within easy reach. You can also hide sections you don't use often to reduce visual clutter. A simple, organized sidebar can make Jira feel much faster and easier to use every day.